How to keep your heart healthy, tips and tricks. Welcome to this video on how to keep your heart healthy. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? Fortunately, there are several things you can do to keep your heart healthy and prevent heart disease. In this video, we will cover some tips and tricks to help you keep your heart in top shape. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet. The food you eat plays a vital role in keeping your heart healthy. A healthy diet can lower your risk of heart disease and keep your cholesterol levels in check. You should aim to eat a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil and avocados. Try to limit your intake of saturated fats, sodium, and added sugars, as they can increase your risk of heart disease. Number 2. Get regular exercise. Exercise is essential for a healthy heart. Regular physical activity can help you maintain a healthy weight, lower your blood pressure, and reduce your risk of heart disease. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as brisk walking, every day. You can also try activities like cycling, swimming, or dancing to get your heart pumping. Number 3. Quit smoking. Smoking is one of the leading causes of heart disease. If you smoke, it's essential to quit as soon as possible. Smoking damages your blood vessels, increases your blood pressure, and raises your risk of heart disease. Quitting smoking can be challenging, but there are several resources available to help you quit, such as nicotine replacement therapy and support groups. Number 4. Manage your stress. Stress can take a toll on your heart health. It can increase your blood pressure and cause inflammation in your body, which can lead to heart disease. Try to manage your stress levels by practicing relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation, getting enough sleep, and taking breaks when you need them. Number 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for overall health, including heart health. Aim to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night. Lack of sleep can increase your risk of heart disease and other health problems. If you have trouble sleeping, try establishing a regular sleep routine, limiting your caffeine intake, and avoiding screens before bedtime. Thank you for watching this video on how to keep your heart healthy. By following these tips and tricks, you can lower your risk of heart disease and keep your heart in top shape. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your heart, so start making changes today.